Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just getting in from work, started watering the trees, and I've got a hell of a lot of wading to do. So over the next few weeks I'm going to have to start bringing the trees in, wading them, and basically giving them a prune, because with work they've gone crackers. Our last brought us a nice cup of coffee in, even though it's 21 degrees outside. But I'm pleased my mother lives over the road, because she brought us a nice cold bottle of beer. Cheers, ma. Her wife, tap one out my mother's book. I'll give you a quick look in the beds and the trees, and you can have a look, see what I need to do, because like I say, the weeds just took over again. Must be the fertilizer. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a quick look, then as the videos progress over the next couple of weeks, I'll just be bringing a couple of trees and wading them and just giving them a rough prune. So the forest on the slab, I think I need a lawnmower on that one. Contoniester just wants a prune. So there's the field maple again, it's got nuts. All the forests, put the weeds in. There's a tanuki in there in the corner needs doing. Need some wire on it anyway, just to see what we can make out of it. I've got that given, so just have a bit play, see what happens. If it dies, I can use the dead wood for something else. As you see in the bed, where you cannot see in the bed, that's the point. There's not much on the big privet. Like I say, everything needs a haircut. That needs a styling. I need to get the weeds out of these. There's a ewe in there somewhere. So basically they've got to come in one by one, start getting the weeds out. Just gonna chuck that. It's a shale of pipe. That spruce has took a bud, so I'll be chucking that. I'm gonna have a clear out, get rid of all the crap and the weeds and that. There's the other bed, some trees in there somewhere. And this planter, I don't know where to start. I need to give the little trees a haircut again, but I'll just have to leave them in the polystyrene box, because all the roots will be growing down, so I'll not be able to pull them out. So I have to try and do my best while they're in the box. Black pine seedlings need some wire on just to put a bit of shape in. The grapes is coming uncanny. Get up there. And me tomatoes. Got about 3 cucumbers down on the bottom one. Then I'll let it grow up the top and let one come all the way down. This is where I'll be starting, in this corner. Just work my way along. Putting all the crap down there to burn. Thanks for that. There's one over there. What I'll do is I'll start getting the weeds out and we'll have a look. Soil I've left a bit dry, so the weeds will come out easy. Once I get all the weeds out, I'll give them a good drink. It's wet underneath, it's just the fertiliser on the top's dried up. I think I'll get my scissors and give a little prune on this raw material as I'm going. I'll not be doing this with all of them, I'll not be showing you the lot. But on this trident, we've got a long bit with no nodes on. So I'm going to take it off. Same on this branch here. and the same one there. One down. A few hundred to go. I'll see you next summer. If you're towing your tridents, you want to take cuttings, stick them in some water until you're finished, but I'm not going to bother this year. So I'll get a few more done, then we'll come back. So 3 hours later, I'll get one bench done. At least the water will go in a bit better now. I've moved all the larches in the walk forest. Oh, one down and a shed load to go. I'll just keep you informed on this. I'll do a video off the end when I'm finished. But it's a start. 5 hours later, I'm getting that bench sorted. One burning most of the ways, like, got bags full. Clean that bit out the best I can. All the other trays around there. I've moved a few bits of pieces around. Well, let's see what we've got now. So I just need to do all them. All them. And all them. So that's just a little short video on what's going to be happening over the next few weeks. So I'll keep you informed. What we'll do is we'll just do a few. I won't show you cleaning the beds and that out, I'll just show you after, because it'll go on for weeks. So cheers, enjoy the warm weather. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.